Recording the sewer line here at 3448 35th Ave West. Date September 22nd, 2020. Recording this from the mainline sewer there out at the street. Coming back now towards the house. So 6-inch clay pipe here. There, we're coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe there. I'm going to go locate this spot. Locate this spot out in the road real quick, or out in the right of way. I'll be right back. Pausing the video. Okay, I'm having a little issue locating out there, so we're going to finish this recording up and then try doing some more locate work. I'm going to, let's see here, take that off. So we've got 36 feet of 4-inch or 6-inch diameter pipe coming back into the 4-inch pipe now. Big old root there, monster root there, big old root there, monster root there. You get the idea. This 4-inch has seen better days. So coming back around the corner there, that's the 90-degree turn at the corner, or maybe it's a 45, but coming back from there into plastic pipe. So we've got plastic piping here. We got plastic going into clay with roots, going back into plastic, and then we should be coming up out of the clean out here. Here we are coming out of the clean out. I'm going to end the recording there and do some locating.